Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your Realme phone. First, make sure your Google Assistant app is fully updated. You can check for updates in the Google Play Store. Gemini integrates directly into the Assistant, providing a more powerful and conversational AI experience. This allows you to access its features seamlessly, enhancing your daily tasks and information retrieval with ease. Once your Google Assistant is updated, open the app. You should see a prompt or an option to switch to Gemini. Tap on this and follow the simple on-screen steps to activate it. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. Granting the requested permissions ensures Gemini can fully integrate with your phone's features, offering a richer, more personalized experience. With Gemini activated, you can now use it for a wide range of daily tasks. Simply say, "Hey Google," or long press your power button to activate it. Ask questions, set alarms, or even get help drafting emails. Its advanced understanding allows for more natural conversations, making your interactions feel intuitive and efficient. Explore its capabilities for productivity and creativity. To get the most out of Gemini on your Realme phone, remember to keep your Google Assistant app updated. New features and improvements are rolled out frequently. Also, explore the settings within the Assistant app to customize Gemini to your preferences. Your feedback is valuable, so consider sharing your experience to help Google refine this powerful AI assistant even further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.